Want to minimize distractions during online tests? In this video, I'll show you how to enable full screen mode in EdisonOS assessments and how it helps you monitor focus more effectively. Let's start by opening the assessment where you want to enable full screen mode. Now, go to the Settings tab. Here, you'll find an option to enable full screen mode. Simply toggle it on. Quick note, if you're delivering the test on tablets with NIP questions, we recommend keeping this off. Floating keyboards can interfere with the full screen experience. Here's how it looks from the student's side. When the test begins, it opens in full screen automatically. If a student tries to exit full screen, either by mistake or intentionally, they'll get a warning, and the action will be logged. To view these actions, go to the session logs for that test attempt. You'll see a clear entry showing that the student exited full screen along with the timestamp. As always, if you have any questions, head to our Help Center or contact us for more resources. Happy teaching with EdisonOS. We're here to help you help your students.